Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
In this video, I will explain how to delete a Google account permanently. Before you begin, it is crucial to understand that this action is irreversible. Take a moment to download all your valuable data, including emails, photos, and documents, using Google Takeout. Also, carefully review all services and subscriptions tied to your account, as you will lose access to them. This preparation ensures you do not. To begin the deletion process, first sign into your Google account. Once logged in, navigate to the left-hand menu and click on Data and Privacy. Scroll down until you find the section titled Your Data and Privacy Options. Within this section, you will locate the specific option to delete your Google account. This is the gateway to permanently removing your digital footprint from Google's services. With your beautifully colored mix ready, it's time for casting. Carefully pour the mixture into your prepared molds, filling them evenly. Gently tap the sides of each mold to help any trapped air bubbles rise to the surface, ensuring a smooth finish. Let your tiles cure undisturbed for at least 24 hours before demolding. For optimal strength and durability, allow them to fully cure for up to 28 days in a cool, consistent environment. Once confirmed, your Google account and all associated data, including Gmail, YouTube, and Google Photos, will be permanently deleted. You will immediately lose access to all Google services that required this account. While there is a very brief window, typically around 20 days, where recovery might be possible, it is not guaranteed. Therefore, consider this action final and irreversible once completed.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.